Je suis le poinçonneux des lilas, le gars qu'on croise et qu'on regarde pas. Bienvenue dans un nouvel épisode de français avec Paul Jenkins Languages. Bonjour tout le monde, on continue avec la question qu'est-ce que tu portes? D'accord. Okay, so previous lesson we combined what you wear in which weather using the word quand, meaning when. So today I want us to look more in detail at son, ça, and c'est. Those words there under the grammar section, son, ça, c'est, all mean his or hers. Right. Vocabulary, we looked at this last time, so if you want to have a recap on pronunciation, you can watch the previous video. So this is a starter based on what you did last lesson to check you haven't forgotten it. I think it's always key when you start a new lesson to have something from the previous lesson just to recap what you're doing. It's often called space retrieval. Big fan of it. So you've got 4 sentence starters there. 1, 3, and 4 are about the weather. Quand il gèle, when it's freezing. Quand il fait chaud, when it's hot. Quand il pleut, when it rains. And then j'aime porter, like to wear. What you need to do is complete the rest of the sentence. So look at numéro 1, l'exemple. So quand il gèle, when it's freezing. Quand il gèle, je porte des bottes noires et aussi je porte mon blouson en cuir noir. When it is freezing, I wear black boots and I also wear my black leather jacket. I've given you 2 phrases, en cuir, which means leather, and en laine, new one for you, woolen. En laine. Right. Mon mes or mean my, for example, mon stylo, my pen, ma table, my table. But what about talking about somebody else? No, low battery on the watch. So, his or her. Notice again, similar to when you've done mon, ma, and me, and the example I just said a moment ago, that you will change son, ça, and c'est depending on what you're talking about. Look at the table. T-shirt is masculine. Mon t-shirt, my t-shirt. If I'm talking about his or her t-shirt, it will be son t-shirt. Even if it's her t-shirt, even if she is a girl, the t-shirt she's wearing, t-shirt is a masculine noun, so it would be son t-shirt. Son t-shirt bleu, his blue t-shirt or her blue t-shirt. Also son écharpe. The word écharpe is feminine, but because it begins with a vowel, you can't say ça écharpe because you get 2 vowels together and you get what's called le choc de voile. 2 vowels clashing, which sounds horrible. But for example, the word vest, jacket, feminine. Sa veste means either his jacket or her jacket. Trainers is plural. Ses baskets. So, quick activity to put that to the test. His or her shirt. Sa chemise. If you're doing this live, pause at the different moments just so you can write down your own answer, and then I'll fill in the answers for you. Il porte son jean bleu préféré. That's a tricky one because we say jeans as plural, but the French it's singular. Classic there, son écharpe. Écharpe is feminine, but because it begins with a vowel, son écharpe. In the same way, if I was talking about my scarf, mon écharpe, M-O-N, or your scarf, ton écharpe, T-O-N. Okay. Excuse-moi. Maintenant, on va écouter. So, you will hear a description about what 4 different people wear. I'm just bringing up the script on my other laptop. Parfait. For each person, there'll be 2 letters to answer. So, for example, for number 1, it will be about A and B. if you've got this, you can click on the little audio icon here, but if you're watching the video, I will read them now for you. So A to G and either vrai or faux, true or false. If it's false, you could correct it to show what it would be. Right, number 1. Virginie adore sa chemise blanche et elle la porte souvent avec son écharpe noire. 2. Voici Xavier. Son vêtement préféré, c'est son blouson en cuir rouge. Il aime aussi porter son jean noir avec son t-shirt Hollister. 3. Caroline adore ses baskets Nike et son jean slim blanc. Elle le met tous les jours. 4. Voici Sarah. Son vêtement préféré, c'est sa robe bleue et rouge. Elle la porte souvent avec ses chaussures noires et son blouson rouge. Okay? Remember, if you're watching a video, you can always pause and re-listen. It's good to go over things. That's the joy of these video lessons. You can pull back, you can pause, you can watch something again. Voici les réponses, the answers. What I've also put there at the bottom was the script I was reading from. That's why I was looking off to the side there, because I was reading from another computer. Et voici les réponses. So you can see there the ones that are full. I've corrected them and I've used what's at the bottom here to show you where the correct answers are. Okay, finally, I've set up a translation, but I'm doing it via a Show My Homework quiz, just to test how you're going. Je crois qu'on va s'arrêter là, we'll stop there. Merci bien à toutes et à tous, je vous souhaite bonne journée. Ciao.